Good evening, friends. My name is Vijay Sarvade. Today's date is 9th of May 2020, and today's topic is Java string. Java string in Java. A string is basically an object that represents sequence of char value and array of character works same as Java string. For example, Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operation on strings such as compare method, concat method, equal method, split method, length method, replace method, intern method, etc. The Java.strings class implements sequentialization char sequence interface. Char sequence interface The char sequence interface is equal to represent the sequence of character string and string buffer and string builder class implement. It means we can create string Java by using these three classes. The Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed up whenever we change any string. You can use string buffer and string builder classes. We will discuss immutable string later. Let's first understand what string in Java, how to create the string object. What is string in Java? Generally, string is a sequence of a character, but in Java, string is an object that represents sequence of character. The java.lang.string class is used to create string object. How a string object created? There are two ways to create a string object: by using literal and second one is by using keyword. Let's see string literal. String literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string is equal to s is equal to in double quotes welcome. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. If your string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is returned. A new string instance is created and placed in the pool. For example, string s is equal to double quote welcome semicolon. String s2 in double quote welcome. JVM will not find any string object with the value welcome in string constant pool that it is a way will create new object. It will not create a new object but will return the reference to the same instance. Why Java uses concept of string literal? To make Java more memory efficient, because no new objects are created if it is exists already in the string constant pool. Let's see by new keyword. String is equal to new string in double quote welcome. Create the object and one reference variable. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in normal non-pool heap memory and literal welcome will place it in string. Java string class methods. The Java.lang.string class provides many useful methods to perform operation on sequence of char value. Char caret int index. It returns char value for the particular index. Int length, it returns string length. Static string format, string format object args, it returns a formatted string. Boolean contains char sequence, it returns true or false after matching the sequence of char value. Boolean equals objects another. It checks the equality string with the given object. Boolean is empty object. It checks if string is empty. String concat string. It constant the specified string. So this is all about the string in Java. So we will discuss with next topic. Thank you.